Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damage and getting the area ready. This determines the fix. Once done, clean thoroughly with soap and a degreaser so paint adheres. You then sand to a feathered edge using 240-400 grit to remove loose paint and rust. This creates a smooth transition. Make sure to mask surrounding panels and tape edges precisely so you only paint the damaged zone. You're setting a foundation that prevents future peel. Good prep equals a lasting repair. Now you prime and confirm your color match so the final result blends. First, spray thin coats of epoxy or self-etch primer, letting 10-15 minutes tack between passes. This bonds to metal and fills small imperfections. Once cured, test your OEM color code on a separate card and make a small test spritz. Adjust tint until match is close. Then wet sand the primer with 600-800 grit to remove orange peel and create a uniform surface for base coat application. You now lay down the base coat and finish with clear to protect and match gloss. Spray 2-4 even base coat layers, allowing 5-10 minutes flash time so layers meld without runs. Inspect for coverage. After base is tack-free, spray 2-3 clear coat layers to build depth and UV protection, then let it cure per product instructions. Finally, polish with 1,500-3,000 grit and a rubbing compound to blend edges and restore shine. If you see orange peel or runs, wet sand lightly and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.